Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Air Jordan shoe. I think this one is called the Jordan 9. The uppers have like a suede material, and I will be dyeing this material with my airbrush. I have paintbrushes. I also will be using some Leather Studio paint. Right now you're just seeing me misting the shoe. What's in the water bottle is just water, and I'm about to wash the shoe. I had this product when I went into the store. I saw this Dawn soap dispenser, and I touched the bristles on it, and the bristles were very soft. So I thought that may be really good to use instead of using my toothbrush for the shoe. So I actually used it. And what you do is you unscrew it. You put I make my own soap for the shoes, and you push it down and the soap comes through it, and it works really good. So I thought that was a nice item to get. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video to restore this Jordan 9 Nike Air Jordan shoe, and let's get right into it. Thank you for stopping by my video, watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this video right now. Okay, and I just finished dyeing the shoe with some black shoe dye. That dye actually came from Michael's. And when I tape the shoe, there's still some dye that got on the white part. Just take a cotton ball, some acetone, aka nail polish remover, and take that that dye that got on the white part of the shoe off. And that's what you see. It's just acetone, nail polish remover, whichever you want to call it. And you just take it and you just keep doing it until everything comes off the shoe. And then after this, what you're gonna see me do is use my Leather Studio leather shoe paint to actually splatter paint the soles of the shoe. And you'll see me do this with a toothbrush. And I'll try to give you a little bit more commentary as things go on, but that's what you see me doing right now. Let's get back into the video. right here you see me changing the Nike Jumps man sign, the Air Jordan symbol, from black to white. And then you'll see me go back and paint the rest of the soles black around that Air Jordan symbol. And right now you see me finishing up the shoe, drying it with the hair dryer. You see the splatter paint with the toothbrush. I painted the white parts back white. I dyed the suede part with a leather dye from Michaels. And at this point, y'all, guess what? I want to thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers, y'all. I'm back. I was on vacation, so I will, from this point on, be posting videos each week. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. I'm out. Watch the rest of the video. All right.